Today I'll be showing you all how to teach your baby talk through window. If you feel that your child is not attracted towards the window to sit and learn new words, so what you can do is you can decorate the window just like this. Yeah, it is true. If you want to teach your baby talk, you can use anything in the house to teach your baby talk. As you can see that I have put some balloons and ribbons over there, and it is really very entertaining for my baby along with teaching him the new words. So just have a look. So what you can do is that you can tie ribbons on the window, balloons, and then you can teach your baby the words ribbon, balloon. You can hang spoons on it with the help of a ribbon, and you can say your baby to repeat the word spoon. Hey Miggy, Miggy, say balloon. Balloon. Yeah, and where's ribbon? Ribbon. Show me ribbon. If your window has a road view, then it will be more good. Then you can teach your baby name of the vehicles: auto, car. Say balloon. Say ribbon. You know there's a cycle outside the house. See? Say cycle. Yeah, say again. You can see cycle outside the window. Say cycle. Yeah. Yeah, you know there's a car vroom vroom outside the window? Yeah. Oh wow. When we go to our relative, I exercise this activity with my baby on the window. That's why he was repeating auto, car, because he knows when he looks outside the window, he will get to see some vehicles. Yeah, round, round balloon. So this is the way that you can teach your baby talk with the help of a window. So try it out. You can also do this activity in your balcony.